The next step in this process is to think about how you want to segment the data in your cold calling list so that you can better create campaigns in SmrtDialer. So there are two basic ways of creating campaigns and segmenting data in a SmrtDialer list. One is by using a single category field and a single category field option, and one is by a view. The two are linked, but I would say the view is the most powerful. The reason being is that a category field will allow you to basically filter by one variable only. So if I say, show me all the ones where it's call list C, for instance, it's going to show me all call list Cs regardless of campaign. That's not usually what people want. Instead, what we do is we create a view using the segmentation of the data that we want. So what I've done is I've actually gone out and I've changed some of the ones we just uploaded to call list C so we can create a brand new view. And to do that, you simply use your Podio Filtering to apply the data filters you want. I'm going to do this by saying, let me see all the ones that are, first of all, to the affiliate probate list campaign. And that will take my number from 13 down to 10. And then I'm going to add a second data filter where the call list is call list C, and that takes me down to 5. So what you can see here, what we've done is we've segmented the data in this app by two vectors. One, campaign, and two, call lists. And that is meaning that this view that we're about to create is going to only show us leads that are linked to the probate campaign we've selected and have the call list. So it's an additive process. It is providing us with two data vectors that we're segmenting, which is something a category field can't do. So now that I have the data in the way I want it, I simply click here and save the view. I'll do it Philly C list for cold calling demo. I'm going to make it a team view because it needs to be a team view. And I don't need to split it by anything at the moment because it doesn't really matter. If you want to see it by status, you can do that as well. Like say if I wanted to see it by lead status to know where we are. See, it says waiting 5 because we haven't done anything. But most importantly, we now have a view called Philly C list for cold calling demo, which is only showing us the data from our cold calling app that we want. And that's what we need for our next step, which is preparing the SmrtDialer campaign.